So now for these last two examples, number 5 looks a little bit like limit 5. We had cos x minus 1 on top and x on the bottom. We can create that cos x minus 1 if we factor out a 3. Let's try to make that look a little nicer there. And we have the 5x on the bottom. Again, split that limit. We can put the 3 over 5 together. We can put the cos x minus 1 over x together. And now we have a limit that looks like limit number 5 with a little bit of extra. What we know is that cos x minus 1 over x will reduce to 0. And we have 3/5 times 0, which is just 0. Number 6 might almost be considered a trick question. The reason that we have these limit formulas is because if we were to plug in 0 right away, we'd end up with an indeterminate situation, 0 over 0. However, when you have a cosine on the bottom and just a cosine, we're going to end up with cosine of 0. Well, cosine of 0 equals 1. So in these cases, direct substitution actually is the only way to go. There's no way of making this look like one of those 6 limits that we have. This now becomes an exercise in dealing with trig functions. So we have sine of 0 divided by cosine of 0. Sine of 0, if you remember back to pre-calculus 30, that table of trig values, or, second option, you take it and plug it into your calculator. Sine of 0 is 0, cosine of 0 is 1, which reduces to 0.